Hello student, my name is... Oh, you may be thinking that maths teacher having so mathematical name. Wait, we will reveal it later. Today we will learn algebra. Most easy topic, isn't it? But why you find it difficult? So many times when I talk to student, now what they say, मैथ्स तो समझ ही नहीं आता, हम इतना प्रैक्टिस करते हैं फिर भी नहीं होता. And a small mistake, whole question wrong. कभी a plus b whole square लगेगा और a minus b whole square लगेगा, समझ ही नहीं आता. But what is the problem? Problem is not in the maths. Problem is you don't understand. You just cram. So what is my motive? To make the maths most interesting so that you enjoy and learn in a better way. I guarantee, किसी चीज की गारंटी नहीं होती, but I am giving you guarantee. If you understand, practice, it is the most interesting and most easy subject. You can score the most in maths. So let's come back to my name. What is this? Is it account number? फोन नंबर तो ये नहीं लग रहा इतना बड़ा है क्या ये. चलो लेट्स कम जान लेते हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज V, alphabetic position of V. Then A, this is N, this is I, this is K, A. Yes, my name is Vanika and I'm going to take you algebra today, and I will try my best to make it most interesting and easy for you. So let's start.
Our topic algebra. Don't worry, ये mountain climbing से बहुत easy है. Let's see how. So here you can see few terms. Before we start algebra, what is this algebra? What we will do in algebra? Very simple, like expression, equation, equality, all these we will get here. But what are these? Let's understand that. Here you can see, like I have 5x plus 7. So this is expression. But when this equal sign will be given, this will be equation. So what are the parts of an expression or equation? Like this x, 7y plus 10, this y, x square, x, these all are variable. What are variable? Those whose value are not fixed. Variable are what? That keep on changing. Like somewhere x is 5, somewhere x is minus 5, somewhere x is 100, 1000, minus 5000. Now what are these coefficients? Like 5 here, 2 here. This is constant. So whatever is multiplied with variable, we call them coefficient. Here suppose the 7 is multiplied with variable y, so 7 is coefficient. 10z, your z is variable and 10 is coefficient. Now what are exponents? Exponent, you know, the power of variable, that may be the power of any number also. Like here, x cube, exponent is 3, z raised to power 4, exponent is 4. This 8 is your, let me erase all. This 8 is your constant. Constant, you understand, whose value is fixed. So if value is fixed, that remains same. So that is constant. So here what we learn in this slide, we talked about coefficient, variable, exponent and constant. And all these will make expression. But expression is having equal sign, then that will be your equation. Isn't it easy? Let's learn more thing about it. Okay, this all we have done. Variable, constant, coefficient, exponent and your operator. Whatever the sign given between all these coefficient and variables, that are operator. Mathematical operator are what? Plus, minus, multiplication, division. Like let's take example. 5x plus 17. This 5 is your coefficient, x is your variable, 17 is your constant and this 10 is your mathematical operator. Now this next is what term? Expression, you understand. All this is expression. If this is equal to 20, That will be your equation. So now let's know what are these terms. Terms are always separated by plus or minus sign. The part of algebraic expression separated either by addition sign or by subtraction sign are term. You can see here, let me highlight this also. You can see here this one, 2 multiply with x raised to power 5. So these are multiplied, na? So this is considered as one term. Then minus sign, it means second term start. Here all are multiplied, 2 multiply with x raised to power 6, multiply y raised to power 3, z. So this one is the second term. This is your third term. In the next expression, how many terms are there? 3 terms. 8x square, first term. More examples of like term. Here you can see in the first table, all like term have same variables. Unlike term are not having same variable. Like y square variables are not same. So you can add or subtract only like term. Next, we will talk about on the basis of number of term. Like if in any expression number of terms are 1. You can see here 2x, 5x square, pq. Single terms we have, so we call them monomial. If number of terms are 2, so we call them binomial. If number of terms are 3, you can see here, we call them trinomial. So easy it is. We have learned about the term. Then in an expression, if number of term 1, what we call them? Monomial. If number of term 2, what we call them? Binomial. In trinomial, name is telling them. Tri means 3. If number of terms are 3, we call trinomial. Bi means 2. And mono means single. So next is very simple. We talk about addition. You know before what I said you, we can add or subtract only like term. Let's take an example. Suppose you have 5x plus y and another one is 7x plus 23y. Right? So you can add or subtract only like term. So this 5x or 7x both are like. So you can add only like term. 5 plus 7 will be 12x. Terms having same sign, like term. So again you will add 23y plus y, that will be 24y. I hope this is clear. Let's take another example of subtraction of algebraic expression. Here when we are subtracting, first of all the main important thing that you have to take care. Suppose I am having an example, subtract 7x square minus 5y from 9y plus 10x square. When you are subtracting, as subtraction is not commutative, so when you are subtracting, whatever the term written after from, write that first. I will write first 9y plus 10x square. Now first term, this one I will write now. Please put like term under like term because we can add or subtract only like term together. So I will write here 7x square. As this is positive, I will put here plus. As this is negative, so I will put here minus. Right? So next important point, why subtraction is important. First, which term is to be taken first? Second point, where you may do mistake. Second point is, when you are subtracting, you are required to change the sign. So this minus will be plus and this plus will be minus. So now let's subtract them. Now term are having opposite sign. Term having same sign, we add. Term having opposite sign, we subtract. So 10 minus 7 is 3x square. Bigger term is positive, so I will put here plus. Next, both term have same sign, so I will add them. 14y and bigger term is positive, so this will be plus. You know very well, only like term you can add or subtract. When you are adding term with the same sign, we add. Term with the opposite sign, we subtract. And we put the sign of the bigger term. Isn't it so easy? So please practice this and thank you so much. I hope you understand the concept and enjoy. Bye-bye.